there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do.
To make change, you need love and support. You need passion. The Lost Boys of Sudan can't do the amazing and remarkable things they did, and still do, without the help and support from large donators to the face behind the camera in their videos. You must have the strength to love. We all must understand that we are so lucky. Many of us have water, shelter, food, and people that love us. Many families around the world, like in Sudan and Mauritania, are struggling to find healthy water and are tempted to drinking unhealthy water, which can cause many diseases like arsenicosis, cancers of the skin, lungs, bladder, and kidney, trachoma, fluorosis, guinea worm disease, intestinal worms, and even HIV and AIDS. These diseases obviously don't sound like a bed cold, and not only do adults suffer from this, but children too. And we say that children are our future, but what if these children won't make it to the future?
No need for greed or hunger, or brotherhood of man.
Sitting in your classroom, watching people contribute to making peace and change won't do anything. It can change the way we think of things and inspire us, yes, but until we act on what we feel is right, there will still be child labor, there will still be slavery, there will still be poverty and families without water, food, and shelter. There will still be sadness and there won't be peace. That's why my class has decided to do something about it. We are selling water bottles and donating 100% of the money to people in need.
And the world will live as one.
You must have optimism and patience to create change. It will take time, but together we can make peace by incorporating all of these elements in our everyday lives. There is still hope. Try.
If you try.